Hi, my name's Adam O'Connell, and in this video I will be talking about fluorescence microscopy. To break the term down, fluorescence is when a molecule absorbs light of high frequency waves and emits lower frequency light waves. Fluorescent paint under ultraviolet light is an example of this, as seen in this video. Microscopy, on the other hand, is simply using a microscope to view specimens that cannot be seen easily with the naked eye. So a fluorescence microscope is an optical microscope that examines fluorescent materials using a source of ultraviolet light. But how does it differ from a regular light microscope? Unlike a regular light microscope, it has an ultraviolet light source, which is usually a mercury arc lamp. This UV light goes through an excitation filter to achieve a specific wavelength, which is then shone onto the sample from above, causing the fluorescent molecules in the sample to fluoresce. The fluorescent light and reflected UV light are passed up through the dichromatic mirror, which reflects away any UV light. The fluorescent light only reaches the eyepiece of the microscope, where a magnified version of the fluorescent specimen can be observed. This is an example of an image from a fluorescence microscope. These are fibroblasts where the protein-actin filaments have been stained with the fluorescent dye phalloidin, showing up green, and the nuclear DNA has been stained with another fluorescent dye, DAPI, that shows up blue. Three-dimensional imaging is a revolutionary application of fluorescence microscopy. These examples are 3D images of a cancer tumor and a segment of mouse intestines from a fluorescence microscope. Finally, immunofluorescence is when the fluorescent stains, also known as fluorophores, are attached to antibodies, which will then attach to proteins, small biomolecules, or primary antibodies. This is a more complicated way of performing fluorescence microscopy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed saying the words fluorescence microscopy at least 100 times.